All right, TikTok, you made me buy it. If you guys have been on this weight loss journey with me for any length of time, you know that I am one of those people that did not take before photos and I did not take before measurements. So I have been a slave to the scale, and every day I would hop on, and if I lost a pound or an ounce or 2 ounces, it was a victory. But if I didn't, it was really, really defeating. If you've watched any of my recent videos, I went like 3 weeks where I wasn't losing anything. And while I felt like I looked like I had lost weight and my clothes were fitting different, and I would get out of the shower and I'd look at myself naked and I looked better naked, I was sleeping better, I had more energy, but every morning I would get on the scale and I would see the exact same number. It was so freaking defeating. So I reached out to the community. Everybody is talking about this RENPHO Smart Scale. It is not just measuring your weight. It is looking at so many other factors: your BMI, your bone mass, the percentage of water that you have in your body, your metabolic age, so many other things. The price point is fantastic. I have a savings code for you guys. It's AOSAVE. That's AOSAVE. I will put the link in my bio for you guys. It's 10% off. Grab one. If you guys have any recommendations of anything that you guys are using on your weight loss journey, keep me updated with that, and make sure you like and follow for more of my Manjaro journey.